Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over setting up group events. I am currently logged into the web client, so we'll go over that first. There are several ways that you can create new events within your Office Tracker. The first way is up here on the icon toolbar to click on the new event icon all the way on the left, and it will bring up the event dialog box. I'm going to type the description. And from here you can set up all of the normal things, the start date and time, the end date and time, the duration, the reoccurring option, reminders, keywords, labels, agenda, link, contacts, names. Under the Details tab, you've got categories and priority, and your custom fields as well are right here. I'm going to go back to the Main tab. This is where you would set up a group event. You click on the people icon, and you can select the people that you want to include in this group event. I'm going to select these 3 doctors and say Include. They will appear on the right side, and say OK. Now I'm going to hit OK. This is asking if I would like to send the Office Tracker notification. I have my system set up to send out a notification anytime I create an event, delete an event, or edit an event. Right now I'm going to say Don't Send. You will see that event just appeared on the schedule for those 3 doctors at the same time. You can edit these events by double-clicking. If I wanted to remove a person from it, click on that person and click Exclude and say OK. Once again, I'm not going to send the notification. Another way to create a group event is to click on an available time slot. I'm going to click on Dr. Brown's 8:30 time slot. And under the names, I'm going to include Dr. Murphy and Dr. West and say OK. And I'm going to hit OK again. Don't send. And there it is again for those 2 names that are on my schedule. I would like to mention that even though Dr. West is not in my current view, that the event was added to his schedule as well. When you're working in the web client, another quick tip to quickly schedule all of the people shown in your view at one time is to hold down the Shift key and click in the available time slot. Now, if you click on the people icon, you will notice all of the people that are currently in my view are automatically added to this event. I'm going to say OK and OK again. And there it is. Now let's go look at the desktop view. You'll notice in the desktop client, it will work the same. The only difference between the web client and the desktop client when scheduling events is that you can drag across within the desktop client. So if I wanted to create an event that included Dr. Blue, Dr. Brown, and Dr. Murphy, all I need to do is click in the available time slot, drag across, and release the mouse. If you click on the names, you'll notice those 3 are already included. And say OK. You'll see it went ahead and put that event right across for those 3 people. Once again, if I double click on one, it will bring it up, and I could edit the names that were included if I decided that Dr. Brown is no longer needed at this event. I can exclude him. Now, contacts are also set up the exact same way. Just click on the contacts icon, and you can include or link, and you can also unlink people that way. I'm going to say OK and OK again, and you'll notice that contact's name is included in that event now. One other thing I'd like to point out when creating group events, if you have groups set up within the Office Tracker admin server, when you're working with that event, a quick way to find those names, if you have a lot of names in your list, is up here. You'll see where it says Group, and it says All is the default. I could go quickly to my doctor's office group, and it brings up just that group of names. If you have a lot of different names set up within your Office Tracker, this is a useful way to quickly get to the people that you need to use. All right, that's about it for today. Happy scheduling!